Hello Perfect Beauties and welcome to the Acne channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of vegetable glycerin in your skincare. Vegetable glycerin is considered a natural humectant, which is a substance that helps other substances retain moisture. It is water-soluble, sweet to taste, and most importantly, it is non-toxic. So where does the vegetable glycerin come from? Well, of course it comes from vegetables, and our banished vitamin C serum is vegan too. So pure vegetable glycerin is derived from plant seed oils like palm, coconut, or soy. So now let's talk about the benefits of vegetable glycerin. The most popular way of using vegetable glycerin is in the world of beauty. The reason behind that is it's easily absorbed into the skin, making active ingredients in the product easier to absorb into the skin as well. So in the face, vegetable glycerin is used for anti-aging treatments. So you can put equal parts of vitamin E oil in glycerin. It can also be used in acne treatments. It can also be used as a cleanser. So 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin plus 1 tablespoon of citrus acid. It can be used as a toner. It can treat oily skin problems. It can remove whiteheads and blackheads. And it gives a face a nice glow. And you can also use it on hair and scalp. So you basically can use it anywhere. It's kind of like coconut oil. And it's important to use products with only pure vegetable glycerin and avoid products that have propylene glycol or petroleum-based glycerin. So this is often added to vegetable glycerin to extend its shelf life, and this can cause allergic reactions and can also have a toxic effect on skin when used multiple times. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about propylene glycol and why we do not have that in banished vitamin C serum, because we only use vegetable glycerin. And there's a lot of products out there with propylene glycol, and you don't want to use anything with propylene glycol after using the banisher, because you don't want it to get into your skin, because there is a lot of controversy over propylene glycol and the effects of it. So propylene glycol comes from propylene, which is a chemical produced as a side effect of propylene refining. So yes, we're talking about the real petroleum or crude oil obtained through oil drilling. It can also be manufactured from natural gas. So from this propylene, chemists can create a variety of products, including polypropylene, which is used in plastic, and propylene oxide, which we get in propylene glycol. So you can mix propylene glycol with water, and it is considered non-toxic. So companies can use it in a variety of ways. For example, they like to put it in electronic cigarettes, and it's also very economical. So propylene glycol is used across several industries and may even show up in your processed foods, beverages, makeup, and spray medications and pet food. So overall, even though propylene glycol is considered safe and is considered, huge ingredient in a lot of skincare products, I mean, just look at the back of skincare ingredients you see at Sephora. Even SkinCeuticals vitamin C serum is propylene glycol. A lot of Mario Badescu products have propylene glycol. It might not actually be bad, but we don't really know kind of what else it does, because very similar derivatives or chemicals that are very similar to propylene glycol can do things like inhibit skin cell growth and damage skin membranes. And especially when you're using something like the banisher and you're creating little holes in your skin, you definitely want to use a good vitamin C serum that is natural, that is not going to bring those toxins in, because we don't want no toxins in our skin. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Acne channel, where I'm going to be talking about a huge range of acne topics for people who have acne, because I have acne, we have acne, you have acne, it's okay. We can be in this like cool acne group together, because when I was younger, I never had like a cool group to hang out with. I was always like hanging out by myself. So now we can be like acnes in style. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I make videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays. And until next time, let me know what you want me to talk about more for skincare or acne related subjects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!